configure and activate your sales coaching agent. Now that we have done all the pre-work, we are ready to create, configure and deactivate and activate sales coaching. Let's get started. From the Agentforce sales coach page setup, we are here right now. In the step 4, click on this configure and activate your sales coach agent. Go to agent builder and then click this opens in a new tab where you can select the agent you want to create. With the agent builder, select agent for sales. Sales coach and click next. So here we got 5 steps. In the define settings section, and again next, here let's edit this as follows. So name will be sales coach agent and API name is automatically generated. Description: a sales coach agent gives sales reps personalized sales coaching for the opportunity they are working on. And then you are a digital sales coach agent who gives sales reps personalized sales coaching for the opportunity they are working on. And the company, give a little bit details on about the company here, and then select sales coach agent from the user. Sales coach agent is here with our username, and check the enrich event logs with conversation box and click next. Select language and tone. So here let's put everything as it is, since English is already there. Next, in the data selection, leave it blank and click create. You are not importing any libraries here. This is how you configure the sales coaching agent. We can also personalize the sales coaching agent. Congratulations, you just created a sales coaching agent with Agentforce. Great work. Before you try it out, you need to make few modifications to the out of the box topics. Let's go ahead and personalize it now. Within the agent builder, in the topic details section, click sales coach agent, negotiation or review role play. So here in the topic action or topic configuration, we see all these details. So replace the existing content with the following content: classified description. So to edit this, you need to make it as a new session, and let's put the classification description like this, and the scope as this, and then find instruction field that starts with when asked. When asked is here, and replace with this, and click on save. From the topic list, click save. Sales coach agent negotiable review role play. Let's select this and go to topic actions, new, add from library assets, and here search for negotiation and select this and click finish. So here in the refine action section, click the open in new window icon, this one. In the new tab showing you the prompt template associated with the actions in preview, click test input. So in the object field, in the transcript field, add this, and in the object field enter edge and select edge emergency generator. Click preview and review the response. Click save as if you like this, save as a new version and create it. Within the prompt template workspace, find negotiation questions. Here you need to scroll up to find this session. Do not delete negotiation questions as this reference point is used to prompt in multiple places. Copy and paste the following questions under the questions already listed there. From the preview language list, select English. Now test input. Now nothing appears to happen, but it does grab the information from the test input section on the right side. If you don't click the test input, you may see placeholder in the resolution and the response boxes. Click save and preview. Review the response and note that the difference after adding the new question. Click activate. Once it's activated, go back and in the quick find box type agents and click sales coach agent and open in a builder. Click activate. Your sales coaching agent is now activate and ready to use. Click the back button, left arrow, and now we are using sales coaching. So we have to coach this sales guy agent, right? You have made necessary adjustment to suit your company's needs. It's now to test out sales coaching. Click app launcher and enter sales. And from sales app, select opportunities tab here on the top. And then change your list view from recently viewed to all opportunities. Select edge emergency generator from the list. If more than one is appearing, choose the one that says prospect for this stage. Here, this one. Prospecting for the stage. So By now you can go at the bottom and click on verify. It should be done. As this is the last session, we have completed the innovation thing. You can explore all of this later. But thanks for watching.